Careful, Linda. That could have been nasty.
Under the fading light of dusk, Linda and David arrive in a small jungle clearing, the air thick with humidity.
Did you hear that? It sounded like a large animal.
The jungle's silence shatters as a low growl warns of danger.
Can you believe this was all made with AI? It's magic. Actually, it's MagicLight. This AI platform will make your video creation process easy and fast. Imagine crafting long, engaging videos with consistent characters that truly come to life. It will help you shape your story, generate stunning images that capture your vision, and then bring it all to life with captivating animated videos. Also, you can unleash your creativity in many different languages and explore a wide range of styles and genres, all with one powerful platform. Follow along with me by clicking on the link in the description below and get started with your free plan. We're going to move quickly, so create video is where you want to go first. And then we're going to select the format. We're going to select landscape. And then the language, English. As you can see, there's many different languages you can choose from. The styles, there are so many different styles that you could choose from. We're going to go with Disney style on this story. On the script, you could type in a simple idea and it will generate an entire story just based on your simple prompt. It also has sample ideas at the bottom. As you can see, there's 3. You could click on them to review the different stories. Click on the next one, the next one. If you don't see anything you like there, click on this and it'll generate 3 more ideas. And you can keep on doing that until you find a story. So you could do that, or you could put in your own script here. If you've written your own script, later we will show you how you could use AI to generate your own script and get exactly what you want in your story. What I'm going to do is just type in a very simple idea and have it generate an entire story. After that, you pick how long you want your video to be. Under the free plan, you can only do 1 minute. Under the paid plans, you can make up to 30-minute long videos. So you can pick, maybe after you try the free plan, try it for a month. The way you could look at it is like this. If you're going to buy somebody a present, birthday present or something else, you're going to spend $10, $20. Just spend $10 or $20 on 1 month. Create some videos for some of your friends or relatives, and they will be so appreciative of receiving an amazing, unique gift tailored to them, right? Whatever it is that they like. Also, you will gain so much experience by signing up for the paid plan because you can do so much more, as you will see as we go along. Okay, so let's click on next. And this takes a few seconds. Here we go, the synopsis, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. If you don't like it, you can click on the back button and change it. Here at the bottom, you can see how many credits it will cost you, how long it will be, and how many storyboards it will create. Let's just click next, and then it will go to the characters. It has auto-detected 2 characters. You can edit your characters, or you can click on auto cast. That's what we're going to do, and it will automatically select the characters based on your story. You can edit each character. Maybe you want to change the character. In this case, you can pick from any one of these. Keep on scrolling down. There are many more. We're going to stick with her. And the voices that they use, we could change those now or we could change those later. We could also add another character. We're just going to keep it like that. Click next. And now it is generating the story, and it is generating the voiceover, and it is creating all of the images for your story just from the one prompt that you entered. So as you can see, it takes a little while for it to actually draw all of these storyboards, but you do not need to wait for them to finish. You can start working. Let's say, here we go, the first one, click on that, and you have the voiceover. You can edit the voiceover, change it to say whatever you want. You can also check out what it sounds like. Try different voices. You could preview the voices. You could also change the voiceover speed here. Some voices sound better slower. Some voices sound better faster. Most voices around 0.9 to 1.1 will be a good speed for you. So as you can see, as we scroll through, we have our characters that are consistent throughout the story. Sometimes AI makes a mistake and we have to regenerate images, but for the most part, they stay consistent. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can just go through each scene and edit the text, the voiceover of the scenes. Okay, for now, I'm not going to change any images or animate any images. I just want to show you how quickly you can create your first video. So let's click next. And then it will ask you if you want to convert all of the images into motion videos. Let's click next because we do not have enough credits to do that at this time. I will show you how to convert an image to a video in a little while. Now you get to pick your cover setting. Which image do you want to be the cover? And then you can also change the heading and you could change the different style. I think maybe this one will be okay for this one. All right, and then you go to subtitles. Again, pick your different style. I think this one looks okay. Background music, there's so many different choices here. You can preview them. If you like it, just leave it selected. If not, click on none. For this one, we're not going to have any music. Click on generate, okay? 16 by 9, and let's do it. This is how easy it is to create an entire video using this amazing magical AI tool. Okay, so here it is. We could download the video, and we could also download all of the images that are in all of the scenes. After you download your video, you can publish it on your social media platforms, and you could also publish it here for the MagicLight audience. Let's watch just a few seconds of the video we just created.
They have built a shelter from palm leaves and branches, a testament to their resilience. A small fire crackles, roasting fish, with Bluey resting nearby. Leo points towards the horizon, a distant ship barely visible. Despite their isolation, they share a quiet moment, grateful for each other.
So another question is, what if you want the characters to speak? Lip syncing, right? Or you want to turn these still images into motion videos. Once you start creating animated videos from your still images, it's going to cost more. In the next video, I will show you some tips and tricks on how you can save credits. Let's click back. Okay, back again, and now you're back in editing mode. Now let's edit this scene here. I see here that the voiceover is mentioning Mia and Leo, but I don't see them here. So I want to add them to this scene. At the top, click on Edit Character, select both of them, confirm, and then confirm again. The next step is to change the prompt if you want. It will cost you right here 2 credits on the free plan. On the paid plan, you could regenerate as many times as you want for free. So once you get started with a paid plan, you really can do so much more. But for now, it's going to cost us 2 credits. So let's regenerate that image. And as you can see, it's taking a few seconds to do that. Keep in mind, you don't have to wait for it to finish generating images or videos. You can move on to other frames, other scenes, and work on those. This is a very good way to get your videos created and finished quickly. So here we go. Here's the new image. As you can see, both of the characters have been added. So in the same way, you could review all of the scenes and change them as you see fit. Okay, this image we want to change the characteristics of the monster. So you can go into the prompt here and just add different characteristics that you might like to see in your scene and click on generate. Once it's done, there you go. Okay, it's done. However, can you see that the characters changed a little bit? And so we need to fix that. Here we have the two characters. Perfect. Here the characters are not perfect. Let's regenerate. And there you go. You have the two characters. And as you can see, the character in the background, the monster, changed. So the consistent characters stay consistent for the most part throughout the story. The new characters that you did not create initially, okay, like the blue monster, if you say blue monster, it will be a different blue monster throughout the story. So if you want a consistent character, keep in mind you want to make it a character at the beginning before you start to generate the images. Now I'm going to show you how to add another scene. When MagicLight created this story, it had 12 scenes or 13 scenes. So let's say you want to add another scene in between two scenes. Click on the copy button. It copies the scene. It does not cost you any credits. To regenerate the image, it will cost you a couple of credits under the free plan. Under the paid plan, it is free to generate as many images as you would like. So on this one, we're going to add both characters, regenerate, and see what we get. On the paid plan, you can keep on adding scenes and make your story longer and more engaging. It's really amazing. I love that feature. Okay, there is the new image, and then we can change the voiceover for that particular scene that we just created. And that's how you make a new scene. You can continue to review your story, adding scenes, editing, regenerating, until you get your story looking exactly how you envision. For now that we have edited all of the scenes and the voiceover, we could regenerate it. And once you download that video, it'll have all of these new images. In the next video, I will show you some tips and tricks on how you can save credits. Once you start creating animated videos from your still images, it's going to cost more. So these tips and tricks will help you to save a lot of credits and make your process more enjoyable and productive. You will get your videos done quicker, and you will get results that are more of what you're looking for. I'll also show you how to use AI to make everything easier. Click here or the link in the description to see the next video. See you there.